Hello and welcome everyone on this short series called Accounting for Bitcoin. This is part 2 where we will be accounting for Bitcoin as a medium of exchange. Let's take a look at this transaction. Received sales in the amount of 0.0416 Bitcoin. That's equivalent to 4,850 Namibian dollars and 82 cents. Now again, if we have a look at the triple entry, we will debit our Bitcoin account with the 4,850 and then we will credit our sales account with 4,850. And then our last entry, to complete our triple entry, we will have our entry on the Bitcoin blockchain. Let's go and verify that now before we move on. There we can see 0.4166 Bitcoin. It has been received. So this transaction shows on the blockchain. Now that we have verified the transactions on the public ledger, let's move on to our statement of financial position. Now in our statement of financial position, since there was only two entries, only two accounts will show on the statement of financial position. Our net profit, which is just our sales of 4,850, and our Bitcoin account. Now in this case, because we are treating our Bitcoin account as a medium of exchange, it will come under current assets. The Bitcoin needs to be moved from our Bitcoin wallet, which is our Bitcoin account, to the bank, and then we can classify it under our bank account. So now we leave it under our Bitcoin account until we convert it into cash or until we transfer it to our bank account. So yeah, in the next video we will discuss Bitcoin as a store of value, not as a medium of exchange. Again, questions, comments and concerns in the comment section, of course, and I'll see you in the next video.